Which one of you is Edit?
I'm Eddie.
No, I am Edit.
I'm Eddie.
I'm Eddie. Absolutely. I changed my name.
Two words on a rocking log, I'm afraid. We now come to the broken sentences, which are the last formal words that I'm going to say here. I've been completely overwhelmed by the turnout today. It's so good to see you all, and I really want to thank you all for coming. It's been so good to see so many old friends here to support us in our last hours.
Yes,
So
some
many
of them
people
very old.
contributed towards the making of the Peat Centre what it is. I shan't attempt to name them all for fear of forgetting someone. I don't want to leave anyone out. Many of them are here today, and you know who you are. Thank you for all you've done over the years. It's been fun, hasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So the Peat Centre, as we've known and loved it, ends here. I hope that one day there will be something to replace it. But whatever that is, it will not be the same as the centre that we have known. The continuity that began in 1982 with the Tracks Across the Wetlands exhibition is broken. But today must not be a day of sorrow. I've always believed that our Celtic ancestors saw good deeds death as a reason to celebrate. We go out today at the top of our game, not slinking away into the marshes.
Yeah.
We couldn't have had a more fitting ending than the one that we have had. So we must offer special thanks to the 2nd Legion Augusta for giving us the send-off we deserve. For myself, I would say this. When I was at college, it was my ambition to run an Iron Age site. I expected to get a job as a warden of a hill fort somewhere. I can remember thinking, of course, it would be really nice to work somewhere with roundhouses, but that'll never happen. Well, it did happen. So I'm living proof that dreams really do come true. It's been an enormous privilege to work here. I will be forever grateful that I've had the chance to live my dream, and that so many of you have been able to share it with me. And even as this dream ends, it's time to dream anew. Many of us here today appreciate that there is no better day, no more magical day in the year for the Peat Centre to end. This is Celtic New Year's Eve, when the veils between the worlds are at their thinnest. So now the Peat Centre can slip from this world of tears into the world of Tir na Nog, the land of eternal youth, where it will remain forever in our memories, untarnished by the passage of time. And tomorrow is a new day and a new year. The world turns. Just as night falls, there will be a new dawn. Time to go now. But how to close? Thankfully, the words have already been prepared for me. Our revels now are ended. These, our actors, as I foretold you, were all spirits, and that are melted into air, thin air. And like the basic fabric of this vision, the cloud-capped towers, the gorgeous palaces, the solemn temples, the great globe itself, yea, in all in which inherit shall dissolve. And, like this insubstantial pageant, faded, leave not a rack behind. We are such stuff as dreams are made of, and our little life is rounded with a sleep.
Yeah, yeah. Retro waltz with Peat. Hey!